How to use Cardify Finance app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Cardify Finance app helps you manage all your cards, subscriptions and expenses in one powerful dashboard. But beginners often set it up halfway and end up missing out on the very features that make it useful. Let's fix that. The first mistake is not connecting every account. Cardify works best when it has a complete view of your spending. If you skip linking certain debit or credit cards, you'll only see part of your financial picture, and that defeats the purpose of automation. Next, many users forget to categorize transactions. Cardify uses AI to identify where your money goes, but reviewing and correcting those categories helps the system learn faster, improving accuracy and saving you more in the long run. Another mistake: ignoring the subscription tracker. Cardify flags recurring payments, but beginners often don't take action. Reviewing those monthly charges can help you cancel unused services and free up hundreds a year. Pro tip: use Cardify Spending Insights weekly. The app highlights trends in overspending, like food delivery or streaming, helping you adjust habits early. And here's the surprising truth: people who consistently review the spending data in apps like Cardify tend to save up to 20% more than those who don't. Used properly, the Cardify Finance app transforms your finances from reactive to proactive, giving you total control over your money in minutes a day.